Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are an artist who does stunning, beautiful paintings, digital designs or art and you want to submit your work to galleries, post it on social media or create your own websites, the one skill that you want to learn is how to photograph your work, how to put it in certain interior settings to show how it will look in the actual environment. In this video tutorial, I am going to teach you exactly that. So let's get started. Step 1 is to learn to photograph your work effectively. Let's take one of my paintings as an example. The best photograph you will get is in overcast day in an outdoor setting due to the beautiful lighting effect. Follow the golden hours, which is 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning and 4 to 6 in the evening, to avoid the direct sunlight and the glare. Need to put your artwork on a flat surface, so probably a floor, and a white sheet for the background. I'll keep my painting on the background sheet flat on the floor and then adjust my camera so that it is straight and aligned horizontally and vertically. Once I crop the edges, my picture is now ready. I will now use this picture to create beautiful mock-ups of our art in different interior settings. There are typically 5 apps that I use, but my favorite ones are Canva and FrameIt. This is not a paid review. This is my own experience and I'm going to show you a proper demo of each of them. So let's start with Canva first. I have already downloaded this app on my phone, so let's open it. As soon as you go, you will see a home page where you can type what kind of templates you need. So I'm going to type living room with art and I'm going to see a lot of rooms. Let's select this one. I like it. I'll change the art in the room with my painting. It's very easy. You just click the replace button and it happens. Then I click save and it saves on my. Let's take another example. I like this boho room. This seems to be in 9 by 16 format, so it's probably for an Instagram story. Let's replace our art into it. It looks super cute. These are the 2 pictures that we just did using Canva in just 10 seconds. Let's now take another app. It's called as FrameIt. This is another favorite of mine. I'm downloading it from the App Store. There are paid options, but we'll take the free one. There is an album button. I select my painting. There are different frames available, as you can see. Let's take this metallic frame. It looks really nice. And then let's see how it looks in different interior settings. Very nice. I like this shelf. So let's take this and click on save. It will save on my phone gallery. Let's take another example. I'll go back, see some more interior options and frames. I like the Scandinavian frame this time with a white border. Let's do that. And I want to see my art in a dining room. It looks pretty cool. So let's download this also on my phone. Here are the 2 beautiful mockups that we just did in 10 seconds. Now let's go to another app. It's called as Voun. I'll just download it on my phone, and once it's downloaded, I'm going to open it. This doesn't have a lot of interior options, but this shows you different frames and how your art is going to look on a wall. So it's great for posting on social media or sharing with someone when you're sharing your painting. Let's see so many frame options. Some are locked because they are paid options. I like this red border frame. Let's choose that and a concrete wall. And here's the final look. Next comes the wall picture app. I'm going to download it on my phone. I'm not a great fan of this app because most of the walls are paid walls, but some of them are free. So let's choose one of the free walls and put our art onto it. The interface is quite simple. Let's see this one. This is a foyer wall and it looks great. Let's download this on the phone. And it has different options to scale it for your Instagram stories, social, YouTube, etc. And let's save it on the phone. This is the final look. The next app I'm going to tell you about is called Smartist. I'm not a big fan of this app because there's very few free options and most of them are paid. But let's still try it for one of the rooms. These are the rooms that it loads the different interiors. I'll choose one and then I will go ahead and upload my artwork. I can also put my height and the dimensions of it. And once I load everything, it shows me how it looks in the room. It's pretty easy and convenient to use. And we are done. Let's check out how this art looks in different room types, and all of them are amazing. You can share it on your social media, on your website, and many other places. Wish you all the best.